Hey, what's going on, guys? I was just here. Was going to show you how to install the De La Cruz string gauge. I was going to replace it with the stock one, which is the G-Force Long stock shifter, and I was going to replace this Fueltech string gauge. You will have to change these connectors to these. You will have to change them. De La Cruz does supply you with female and female. These are the female connectors. Yes, the female connectors. So he will supply you with the female connector, and all you need to do is make the connection here. So yeah, I will be showing you how to connect those, and be right back. Okay, guys, so I did loosen these bolts, so these bolts have to come off. Obviously, this is a whole new setup now. So what you guys need to do is take these bolts off and verify the fitment of the shifter. So this is the stock long shifter, and this is the De La Cruz shifter. So this will slide into here, obviously, and we will be having the wire connection. I will put the bolts back in, and I will show you guys where to install these wires, and in what combination do they need to be with Fueltech. This is a Fueltech 550. So yeah, we will be into that soon. Okay, guys, I did get the two bolts just lightly threaded here, and I did notice that that you cannot slide this shifter from top to bottom because of this heat shrink. This heat shrink will be will not let you get the bolt in the thread, because it hits right here. So it's better to just install it just facing this way and then thread the bolts in, and that way it should go in. It's a real tight fit because this is so on the lower side of this shifter. So yeah, just a quick input on that one. Okay, guys, so so it's all tightened up, it's all nice, and I did get this nice Speed Factory shift knob. I like it because it doesn't need a counter nut. All you need to do is put it in the position that you like, and this bolt will lock it into place. It's nice. I like it. It's nice. Okay, so now we will go into the installation of the wiring, which we will be doing next. Okay, guys, I'm here to make the connection. Well, at least started anyways. I was looking at this wiring, and it's beautiful. It's a right check. Everything is right check here. It's very, very nice material, very high quality, very nice. Okay, guys, so the Fueltech side, the green ones, there are two green ones here. If you guys can see, there are two green ones here. Okay, so those two green ones go in the center where the green one is. Okay, that's where it goes. There's a black and a green one here together. So the center, that's where those two green ones go. It doesn't need, both of them don't need to go there. It could only be one. Just with one works fine. And the two white ones go in the white one and the red one. Like, what I mean is, we have two whites. One goes in the white and the other white goes in the red. It doesn't matter where. You can change that in the software. This is the P and the N in the Fueltech. So that's your forward and your backward. So that we are going to make the installation with the new terminal, with the new plug, and I will be back. Okay guys, so here I have the plug already done, pinned, and ready to go. Okay guys, just a quick tip, for some of you that maybe don't know this. If you guys have your setup P and N, and you go to your Fueltech and you guys don't want to change the setup, you can switch these two, and it'll most probably just go back to the same way it was, even though you have to set up the strain gauge now again with this new way. The way it works now is different than with the shift knob, with the strain gauge on the shift knob. So I would suggest that, the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna just leave it as is, PNN, the same way I have it on my Fueltech, and just set up the voltage up and down. That's it. So we'll get back to that now. Okay guys, so my setup is done. My plugs, I have my cable set up. Remember, you don't need the two green ones. You can only use one, and it will be fine. I just cut off my other one. It should be somewhere around there. I cut off my other one, and that's it. Like I said, it should be fine. I just took this in right here. I will be putting like a little strap right here or something, just to keep this safe and out of the way. I was told by Steve De La Cruz that this should always face passenger side. So this wire should always face this side. He also told me that it was better to install this going downwards, but I did in my video, you guys did notice that I installed it face first, and it installed just fine. So you guys can install it either way, this way or that way, whichever is comfortable with you. So I'm guessing that I'm done, and I'm looking at the Fueltech and my strain gauge. And let me take this off. Yeah, that's much better. You can see the P and the N for the strain gauge, and as you can see, when I push and when I push, see, it's almost 5 volts. Pull, it's 0.4, 0.5 volts, depends how hard. I just stop pulling it. Right now it's neutral, like I said before, and I'm gonna do it one more time for you guys. Right now it's in neutral. It's in neutral. So push and then pull. So the sensor is working great. It's working fine. Have no issues whatsoever until now. So I will be testing in the track soon, and I will keep you guys updated. I will update you guys. It worked just fine, but I'm guessing it should work just fine. So yeah, we'll be posting update soon. Hope this works for an installation for this. It's pretty much straightforward, but just in case some of you guys don't know how to do it, then this is a good video for you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.